4 different times I was short and did well. Every one of them's a winner. I believe we should be short up in here. The bears still control. My long doesn't exist till way down here. I'm not interested in longing up here. So that's not what I was looking for. I was interested in shorting, and my traders who know me, go like, you were short 4 times. Yeah, I was. So we're in a section of the chart I believe we should be looking for shorts. So if we take out this overnight high, I'm gonna go ahead and drop in time frames. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and launch my platform because I'm gonna look for reversal trade here. Gotta take the high, give us a ladder back. Oh, come on, get up there and get it. Get up there and get it. All right, let's look for a slam back in. I'll drop to a 30-second chart for a second. We are at the apex of the mapping, is where we're at here. All right, got a little 15-second level there. That's the first ladder opportunity. I took that. Stop is at break even. If it gets me, oh well, I'll have to reset. But I did take the first ladder there. Here. Let's see if this thing wants to go. Let's do a good old flush. Can't we do a good old flush for me? 15-point candle opens the day. After 2 15-point candles here, obviously high risk trading environment. Looking for it to take that high and give a bit of a reversal pattern. I will not say we had a reversal pattern. I took the first short. I'm still short, but barely. 3 more points and I'm out. I'm not worried about a 50% of the move here. I'm taking that trade for a vomit. It is noteworthy that these 2 down candles, these 2 big candles were down. So I think if we get under these here, this little area here, that it could be a nice move. I'm going to hang out with my 1 tick profit. Profit. Not profit. So once we grab liquidity like this, I don't take the first counter trade. We talked about that yesterday. A lot of times these openings are great trades. I'm not telling you not to take it, but based off where we're at, I'd be real careful. Of course, the stop would be really small, in my opinion, if you just chose to take a long off the opening. You know, I say I'm going to treat it as a lotto, but man, hard not to want to lock a 10-pointer here. Shorts, I don't tend to hold as well as longs. I treat shorts like microwave trades. So coming into the opening, having a reaction there. All right, let's get going. 20-pointer, let's go. We lose this opening and you wanted to short from that. So not a horrible place to be looking for a short. I'm glad I'm short from above because I would probably just honestly go market order short, or you wait for the next ladder. This is where we mapped the top out, ladder, and so I put both labels there so I could journal that myself. I'm like, that's where I want to be short. And I was short at 63, 3 or 4 times in the last 15 hours. So if you took that market order short, it's just, that's not a trade I call out often. Believe this is what's going to happen. We're at this location for this to happen. I think now I need to go ahead and capture a 20-pointer. I'm going to add to my trade at 51. Dang it. Dang it. Come on. Get down there. Get down there. Thank you, sir. You don't hear me very often on the AEM briefing said, I'm looking for shorts. That's what I'm looking for at the opening. Come on, get down there. At least take the London low. That's 62, 63. I know that. That puts me back there. Let's go back to a 3-minute chart. I got a backside there. 62. 3 15-point candles. That knocks some of the core strategy stuff out of the window. So if you took the market short here, make sure you're capturing something. That way you're green insured. It's an unusual trade opportunity. Boy, that would have gotten me into my 3 contracts there. Just didn't quite do it the way I wanted it to do it. It's fine. All right, so this is the next big test. Below we lose that. We have a high probability of making it down to our target. Oh, coming into a 40 pointer. You know, you can come here and grab the 30, that's not wrong decision either. Yeah, I was going to add, if it took out this wick, you probably saw me. I was going to add 3 more. I was going to add 3 contracts. It took out that wick, and then all of them would have gotten me out another point or 2 above, but I was going to give it a little chance. You want to over leverage on a winning trade. You want to bet big, get some profit up, and then add to your winning trade. Overnight low in POC. Would not be a shock. This is where it turns around just because of where it's at. I think I'm going to go ahead and capture. I'm going to go ahead and capture 40 just because it could be a liquidity grab ladder back. Yep, not a shock. And out.